Okay, using LinkedIn to identify a contact. So we're going to use Diabetic Kitchen here as an example. So most ideal way is you come over here, you paste the name of the company, and you see there's two Diabetic Kitchens. One's a company, one is a group. You want the company because this is how we will find the employees. Now, keep in mind, it is possible for multiple companies to have the same name. So in order to verify that it's correct, I would just hover your mouse over visit website, and you'll see in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, right under where you see my face, it says diabetickitchen.com, and you will see that that matches this URL. So we do know that it's the same company. You'll click this link, see all two employees on LinkedIn, and typically there'll be more than two, but in this case, both co-founders. I would usually just click into the first one just to make sure that they still have that title. And in this case, since they're co-founders, we want to find who would be more relevant. So think of it this way. If we look at Lisa's past, she was also a managing partner, a co-founder and partner, board of directors, project management. Now, if we look at Vic, his experience, also a co-founder, founder. So in this case, you're probably okay to send it to either one. We will just use Lisa Johnson here. She's the co-founder. Lisa Johnson was her name. Boom.